Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today's Tuesday, February 18th, and I'm going to let you know what we did today. We had about 6 opportunities today, 5 beautiful winners. One was a small loser, or a break even for some people. I'm going to run through everything here again in no particular time order from left to right. Our first trade, our only trade in the ES, was at 63 short. It was on the 11:15 candle. That trade went all the way down. I called the target. It was hit to the tick. Almost actually went past it a couple ticks, and the thing went down from 63 down to almost 55. Up to 7 points on that trade. Beautiful trade. Short. Then we had a long in the NASDAQ. I called the long in the NASDAQ. This was at 9:30 on the 9:39 Central Standard Time candle. I told everybody that this thing could go down to test 90. It went down to 90 to the tick. And some people tried to get filled at 90. Some people actually said they got filled. Some people didn't. They took it down here. They brought it up. It actually bounced around here, as you can see, for a couple good candles. And I told everybody, look, you just got to get in 98, 98.50. We were looking for a retest of the 11s and possibly higher, up to 25 was my next target. And that's exactly what happened. So some people were in as low as 90 if they got filled. Then they bought it up, and then it kind of sat around here, bouncing around, came up, came down. Still said here you can grab it here. So 98, 98.50 in here. And it was just a beautiful trade. Went up from 98.50. It hit our 11s. It hit our 25s. It went, 27, over 100 ticks. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade. And then we got a material change in the marketplace. The market was going to come down. I called a beautiful short in the NASDAQ on the 10:30 candle. I told everybody the exact call was wait for the market to print 11.50 and start getting short 14 quarter. And it filled. It went up literally to about 14.50, and filled everybody. No heat. Went straight down from there, and that went from, let's say 14, again, almost 80 ticks down. Beautiful trade, and it happened within one candle. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade. After they did that and they came back up, I told everybody here this was a little bit of an aggressive trade because this is where we got our material change at. I said they'd probably sell it down a little bit, so we waited, got it in a little bit lower. We were averaged in 23, and some people, it bounced around there, and some people were able to get out this candle, and then some people were able to get out here. I told everybody, don't even go for a break even. Just just get out of the trade. If they buy it up at any point. So it would have been a 4 or 5 tick loss. To reasonably be able to get out. And people who took that trade, that's what they did. Not everybody did. And then the market came down. We got short for another couple really killer trades. We had a power play at the 0950s at 11:15. That sucker went all the way down until I call the reversal. Now people, not everybody got the whole thing because they were taking profits along the way, but 950, 0950 was about 120 ticks, 120 ticks down, pretty much straight down except for that one green candle there. And when the market came down here, I told everybody, if you're in, a lot of people were out at that point, 120 ticks. Told everybody that if you are in, reverse. If you're not in and you want to get long, get long. Called it at 81, and the trade went down a little bit. It was very fast, and then once it started going, boom. And that trade made from 81 up to 90. It went up to 93.50, but 40, 50 ticks on that trade, and that was a great trade to end the morning. So We're going to come back tomorrow, do it all over again. A lot of trades today, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. Bye, traders.